Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Don't go anywhere. We're going to be cutting some Christmas ornaments with the laser. Okay, so we're gonna be cutting some Christmas ornaments out of acrylic. This is gonna be white acrylic, and I'm gonna be putting some pictures on it. You're not gonna see the pictures, but you're gonna see the laser cutting the Christmas ornaments. And then later on, I'm gonna make another video where we're gonna be cutting keychains out of the same material. So let's get started. I already got everything set up. The acrylic is already in the laser. Laser is running already. I just gotta, press start. Okay, so the laser is done. As you can see, the ornaments are already, they're cut, obviously, right? Because you can see them. You might be wondering why there's a square in the center. Let me get this one. So the reason why I got a square in the center, if you notice all of them, like this one, let me take this one out. Okay, so they all have a square right in the center, and that square is so you can put a picture on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a picture right on it. You have to peel this protective paper. The reason why there's a square in it is so you can put a picture in it. That's why I left that 1 by 1, I'm sorry, 1.5 by 1.5 square in there, so you can put a picture in there. Like for example, I'm gonna put some pictures in there, and the next video that I'm gonna make with this ornaments, you're gonna see a picture of my daughter, and it's gonna go right in the center. So this is pretty cool. Here I go again. So let me tell you a little bit about this video. This video is sponsored by Camfive lasers. If you guys are in the market for a laser, check out the description below. You'll see a link to Camfive lasers. Just click the link, and if you guys are in the market for a laser, use promo code liberty01. And it don't have to be a laser. If you guys need parts for your lasers, you can also use the promo code to buy another tube, CO2 tube, or if you need mirrors, if you need another lens, whatever you need. So make sure you check out Camfive lasers by clicking on the link in the description below, and don't forget to use promo code liberty01 so you can get a nice discount. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Keep an eye out, because this is not it. I'm gonna make another video where I'm gonna be making keychains out of acrylic. So stay tuned, and don't go anywhere. Keep an eye out, because we're gonna be making more stuff out of this acrylic. Thank you for watching, guys. This was a pleasure making these videos for you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload more crazy videos or more videos like this. If you guys want to see anything else cut with this laser, just drop a comment on the comments below. Let me know, hey Juan, can you cut this? Hey Juan, can you cut that? Let me tell you in advance, I cannot cut metal with this laser. But if you guys are looking for a laser that can cut metal, again, just check out Camfive. They have all kinds of different lasers. You know, again, if you want one that can cut metal. I already said way too much. Guys, thank you for watching. And I will see you on the next one. Okay? See you later. Bye-bye now.